The Palomar knot, the strongest knot known to mankind. Pull your main line out and double your line over. Put the doubled over line through the eye of the hook. And make sure the gap of the hook is facing your rod and reel. Now make a loop on top. Like that. Now you're going to put the first loop through the loop you just made. This loop through that loop. Now pull this loop over the hook. And pull it tight. Make sure you wet your line when clinching the knot. Make sure all the fishing line comes up over the eye of the hook. Cut your tag. The Palomar knot. We got the Palomar knot on top and the improved clinch knot on the bottom. Final battle here. Palomar knot versus the improved clinch knot for the best knot. Best fishing knot. Put your bet down. Bet on that horse. Ooh, wow. This is as tight as I felt this will get. We got a winner, the Palomar knot on top. That improved clinch knot really put up a great fight though. That's amazing. Here you can see the improved clinch knot did fail at the knot. And it broke at 31.5 pounds of tension. That might be the highest number we got. We'll have to check. We'll do a quick review. So here's the final results. The first battle was the Palomar and the clinch knot. The Palomar knot won at 33.4 pounds of tension, and that was a bottom break. The second battle was the Uni against the San Diego Jam, and the Uni won, and that broke at 28.3 pounds of tension, and that was a bottom break. Third battle, we had the Fishing Fool knot against the Surgeon's Loop knot. The Surgeons won, and that broke at 28.7 pounds of pull tension, and that was a top break. Fourth battle was the improved clinch knot against the Trilene knot. The improved clinch knot won. That broke at 22.9 pounds of pull tension, and that was a bottom break. The fifth battle, the Palomar won against the Surgeon's Loop knot, and the Palomar knot won, and that broke at 19.4 pounds of pull tension, and that was a bottom break. The sixth battle, the Uni won against the improved clinch knot. The improved clinch knot won, and that break was at 20.6 pounds of pull tension, and that was a top break. Finally, the last two fishing knots standing was the Palomar knot against the improved clinch knot. Finally, these two knots come down here and battle it out, and the improved clinch knot broke at 31.5 pounds of pull tension, and that was a bottom break. Okay, now it's time to drop a comment and let me know what you think about the knot battle.